Hello friends, in this video we'll be trying to replace our electronically adjustable rear view mirror of Maruti Suzuki Celario. The mirror was fully broken in an accident. Let's start by removing this black color cap. After removing that, remove the two screws. One is located near the door opening knob and another inside the grab handle. After that, let's remove this door cover carefully. Giving more pressure can damage the plastic locking clips, so be careful while removing. After carefully removing the locking clips, let's unplug the connector. After unplugging the connector, let's remove these three nuts. While removing these nuts, ask somebody to hold the mirror so that the mirror doesn't fall apart. Now let's carefully replace the old mirror with the new mirror that we bought. After attaching the new mirror, let's lock the nuts and plug the connector. Now let's check whether the indicator and mirror adjustments are working. After confirming that, put back the door panels and now you are ready to go. If the vehicle is in warranty period or if you are not experienced in doing these types of work, always consult with the nearest service station. If you feel the video is helpful, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.